What up? It's me from Teen Tech Reviews, back in another video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about some headphones that were sent to me by UGREEN. Since they were sent to me by UGREEN, that doesn't mean I'm not going to give an honest opinion or review or initial impressions of these headphones or earbuds. So yeah, this isn't going to be biased or a paid review since it was sent to me for free. But this is the UGREEN HiTune X6. These are noise canceling earbuds, 35 decibels of noise canceling, 50 milliseconds ultra low latency, which means it should be really good with videos, watching videos and streaming and hopefully gaming. It's got 6 microphones for noise canceling. It's got ear catching sound quality. We'll see how good that is. Some more specs that are from this. It's Bluetooth 5.1. Its codecs are AAC, which is pretty standard, and SBC, which is meh. But AAC is the way to go. There is no Qualcomm aptics on here, unfortunately, for you Android users. You get 6 hours of single charge and 26 hours for the case. This isn't telling me anything about 6 hours with the noise canceling, so I'll have to do some further testing on that. You get a USB-C charging port, as it should, because it's 2022 and everything should be USB-C at this point. And for all you gym enthusiasts such as myself, it is IPX5 rated, so it should be a good amount of sweat resistance, but obviously no swimming with it. So let's unbox this and see what it looks like and feels like. Yeah, so these are the UGREEN headphones, and let us take it out the box. So everything in here is written in Chinese, and I don't know what any of that says. So yeah, so it comes with different ear tips, it looks like. And here's the case. So the case feels very nice. I like the colors. I like the split tone it's got going here. And you open it up, see the Bluetooth light. It wants to connect to my phone. So these feel very interesting. Looks like it has some kind of covering on it, some plastic that you can peel off. Interesting. So we have the blue and white light, meaning it's trying to pair. Alright, so we get all this. What else do we get inside? Books. I think the charging cable should be in here. There it is. USB-C charging cable inside. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to pair this with my phone and then we're going to see how it sounds. Alright, I'm wearing a different shirt because I had to botch that video originally because I said these headphones weren't very good and they're trash, but it's not the case. They're actually pretty good for the price. And I'm not saying that because these were sent to me and I'm getting paid a little bit of money just to review these headphones, because all my opinions are still honest, and I was a bit harsh on these, given that they are like UGREEN and it's a pretty decent company. I'm pretty new to using their products, just this product in particular, and it's actually not that bad. For $80, I do expect more. He said noise canceling, which is good, but there's no transparency mode, and there's lots of headphones at this price range that offer transparency mode, so that's a minus for these headphones. Noise canceling is pretty good, it's okay, and sound quality is okay. And I say that with active noise canceling turned on, it sounds pretty good, and when you turn off active noise canceling, it can get louder. It does get louder, and it might distort at higher volumes, depending on what you're listening to, what the codec is, what the bit rate is, and all that stuff, all the quality of it, but pretty good. So let's get into connection. You open these up, like so, and take them out from the edges. This is how it's supposed to look in your ear. You're hearing a Bluetooth connected sound. Goes in your ear like that. Pretty comfortable and light, very nice. And then let's go to Spotify. SoundCloud. Who listens to SoundCloud? No offense to you if you listen to SoundCloud. So we got UGREEN connected down there, and we're gonna suit the touch controls. So one tap should press play. Double tap increases the volume. Triple tap goes back in the song. And for the right side, single tap plays the song. Double tap, volume, and then triple tap skips the song. And I don't think there's any way you can change these settings. That's just the way it is. It's gonna be double tap, triple tap for volumes and changing the songs. So let's get into a mic quality test. So this is a mic quality test coming from the UGREEN X6 HiTune, or HiTune X6. X6 sounds weird. X6. I don't know, it's just a UGREEN HiTune. And this is what the mic sounds like from the UGREENs. Let me know what you think what it sounds like in the comments below. That was the mic test of the UGREENs. And with audio latency, I'm going to play a clip from my favorite, well, I want to call it a favorite show, but it's a really good show. And it's recommended by someone very special to me. Shout out to you. And it's Insecure, which is a very good show. I recommend it. And I'm gonna listen to it. Now, with these headphones at noise canceling on, max it out 80% to 100% is where you need to be at, because it gets pretty quiet. And when you turn it off, noise canceling, it gets pretty loud. So 65% is where you're good at. But right now, I'm watching Insecure, and there's no latency issues whatsoever. I am playing Super Mario Run. There's no latency here. I might even just play a tap in the thing on the screen just like this. I should have a B-roll of it overhead, you guys watch me play, but I ain't doing that. Sorry. So alright, so pretty responsive with Mario Go, so that's cool. Feedback from me. You got the mic test and the latency test with watching movies, shows, and playing games. So overall, the UGREENs for $80, they're okay, but I do recommend other headphones if you are looking for transparency mode. And in regards to the gym, these are IP rated, so you can run in the gym with them, and with the comfort and feel, it should fit in the ear. If you get too sweaty, they might slip out. I'm not sure. I haven't really tested that fully with a fully on super sweaty workout, but they feel like they might be fine just by the design of them, so there's that. But I do wish it did have transparency mode and a bit better audio quality, but Bluetooth connection is pretty solid, latency is solid. So $80 UGREEN HiTunes, pretty good, but there's better out there for competition that's out there. So UGREEN is doing better. I'm sure they have different headphones out there that I haven't tried yet that might be better than these, but until then, I'll get that feedback later. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell icon, stay tuned for more videos from me. Stay safe, stay warm if you're in a cold area, and peace.